Are you struggling to maximize your industrial space efficiently? Introducing our industrial mezzanine steel structure. This innovative solution transforms your underutilized vertical space into functional areas, allowing you to expand your operations without the expense of relocating. Imagine a strong, versatile platform that seamlessly integrates into your existing workspace, providing room for additional storage, office areas, or even manufacturing facilities. Constructed from durable steel, our mezzanine structures are designed to withstand heavy loads while maintaining safety and compliance with industry standards. Plus, the modular nature of the design means installation is quick and uncomplicated, minimizing disruption to your daily operations. Let's face it, more space means greater efficiency and cost savings. By utilizing vertical space, you unlock the potential for increased productivity and streamlined processes. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation, or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.